I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to audit your Plex server security and block unauthorized access. Step 1. Open the Plex web app on your server computer and click the settings icon, which looks like a wrench in the top right corner. Step 2. Find the section with your Plex username at the top in the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Authorized Devices. This page displays every single TV, phone, tablet, and browser that has ever logged into your Plex account. Step 3. Carefully look through this list for any unrecognized gadgets or old devices you no longer use. To immediately revoke access and boot a device off your server, click the red X icon in the top right corner of that device card and then click Remove to confirm your choice. Step 4. Now, navigate to the Settings section in the left menu and then select Network in this section. Click the Show Advanced button near the top right to unlock the hidden security settings. Step 5. Scroll down to the Secure Connections drop-down menu and change it from Preferred to Required. This forces all streaming clients to use full encryption, completely blocking any insecure connection attempts from outside your home. Step 6. Scroll further down to the box labeled List of IP addresses and networks that are allowed without auth. Make sure this box is completely empty. If there are any IP addresses written here, it means those devices can access your entire media library and server dashboard without ever entering a password. Delete any text in this box and then click Save Changes. As an additional security check, you should always audit who you are explicitly sharing your media libraries with. To do this, find the section with your Plex username at the top in the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Manage Library Access. You'll see a clean list of all invited friends and family who have some degree of access to your Plex server. If you see someone who should no longer have access or an old friend you haven't talked to in years, hover over their name, click the X button that appears, and choose to remove them from your server entirely. Finally, click Account in your primary Plex menu, navigate to the Security section, and then turn on two-factor authentication to ensure no one can log into your server admin dashboard, even if they manage to guess your master password. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.